Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. BitcoinFox here with today's latest update on ADAX. This video is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. If you would like a financial advisor, I advise you to please look for one, seek one. They're great guys. They've worked in many things in the economy, the stock exchange, crypto. You can find one for almost anything out there. They're there to do your work, basically help you with your workload, manage your risk, and so on. So today we're going to dive right into the video. ADAX totally surprised a lot of us. It had a healthy bounce at the 618 Fibonacci retracement level. That was incredible. And to my surprise, to my utter surprise, we actually broke through the resistance trend line that was holding us down, which shocked me. It really did. And the reason it shocked me is because usually when something dumps that hard and then goes back up, it does not break through the resistance so quickly. And when I look at the chart, we have over a 30% move upward in less than 30 minutes. And it was the craziest thing I ever have seen. And that tells me something is brewing for ADAX, that there is whale manipulation going on, that there are people out there that are seeking to get into ADAX early, big investors with hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, possibly even billions in the future shortly, getting into ADAX because it is such an undervalued asset and crypto exchange token. If you look at any other token on crypto exchanges like Uniswap, Polkastarter, PancakeSwap, so on, these exchange tokens have just blown up. I remember when Uniswap was trading around $3, went to $43 in literally less than 9 months. It was probably trading a little lower than that, around 40 cents when it first came out on the ICO and so on, but you have to be an early investor to get into those things and put some massive collateral down. It's a very high risk reward type of investment. So what I'm seeing for ADAX is we're going to range and trade sideways for a bit, between $1.50 to $2. It's looking very, very healthy. It's looking like it's winding up for a big coil spring move. The question is, where is it going? Is it going up or is it going down? And we need to watch the charts and the trend lines for that. Keep in mind that just because something dumps, like we saw yesterday, that major scam wick, it was whales trying to push the price down of ADAX to get it cheaper, and that's why it stunned me. If whales are getting involved in ADAX, that tells me this has a big, bright future ahead of it, and there is no reason anymore to doubt this project, at least in my point of view, in my mind, in my experience. It looked like they were trying to drive the price down all the way to the 0.5 or 382. Which is around $1.22 to $1.38 to 45. That didn't happen. It met strong resistance at the 618. It bounced extremely hard and smashed through the resistance level, going all the way up as high as $2.09. That is insane. Could you imagine if it just kept going? People who panic sold would have been in tears. Like I would have been in tears. It actually triggered one of my stop losses when it scam wicked that low, but luckily I was around to notice it and act quickly to mitigate any losses and obtain any gains. So yeah, like it looks very healthy, ladies and gentlemen. What can I tell you? I'm looking for more news to come out from ADAX. I have contacted the team. I'm speaking to other people who know more about ADAX as well. I'm on the ball, I really am. I'm doing all the research I can on it. I'd like to also cover Ethereum, as it's the front runner in the cryptocurrency market right now. Where Ethereum goes is literally signaling to us that Bitcoin and all the other altcoins are not going to stay suppressed for long. These coins will bounce. As Ethereum races to $4,000, that is incredible. I've never seen anything like this in a long while, at least not in over 6 months to a year. Last time Ethereum bounced like this, it took everything with it, and then it literally saved the bull run, and it did. And Cardano is doing the same thing. Cardano is in a position, a very special position, to change the crypto markets, especially with smart contracts rolling out September 12th. This is why I see ADAX exploding very, very soon. I can't imagine ADAX being suppressed for much longer. Everything is indicating a massive, massive run, and I will not ignore that. I have missed the boat on Chainlink a long time ago. I got Chainlink for about 9 cents, and guess where I sold? I sold about 50 cents when Chainlink got that high, and that is my biggest regret of my life, because had I not sold, I'd have around $5.6 million. I'm not kidding you. I have the old transactions to prove it. But these are things like you can't time the market, you can't predict the future, you don't have the crystal ball. At the time, I thought, you know, a market cap for Chainlink was very, very hard to get to. But lo and behold, it did it. And I think ADAX is my new Chainlink, and that is my strong belief. Much as Cardano was, I bought Cardano around 2 cents, sold around 14 cents because that was good enough for me. Managed a lot of risk and management and so on. Of course, like I had other investments that I kept because I believed in them a little more. But Cardano, I really strongly believe in Cardano. I stake Cardano. I'm a huge fan of Cardano. I remember when it first came out and it was just a token. It was worth absolutely nothing in reality, but everyone believed in it, so it shot up to $1, and then it dumped back all the way to like a penny. And seeing Cardano now reach all-time highs, breaking all-time highs, probably going to race to around $6, $7 very, very soon. But this is why I'm so faithful and insightful in ADAX, because I believe in this project. I would not be showing my face on this video if I didn't believe in what I was speaking. You know, a lot of other YouTube video makers, they'll post something about a cryptocurrency, a headline and so on, but you never see their faces, you never get to know them. And I just want to show you that I am legit, I am real, like so many out there, like BitBoy Crypto, Crypto. Follow his page, he's an amazing guy, German guy like my parents. My parents are both from Germany, which is incredible, because, you know, Germany is a very conservative country, but has become very open to many things over the past couple of years and decades. So yeah, kudos to crypto. Germany is leading the market on that one. But if you look at ADAX, I believe strongly in this project. Keep having the good faith, man. Like, keep an eye on the market. ADAX has the biggest potential, I think, because it is just getting started. People are now only finding out about it. The reasons I prefer ADAX over SundaeSwap is because you can already get it, it's already readily available, and they pay you in Cardano ADA to stake that ADAX. And for me, that's a win-win. That is 2 tokens that are still growing, ADAX being one of the most undervalued, and Cardano still having long-term potential, especially with it expanding throughout the world. Africa, Ethiopia, probably going to help a lot of communities all over the world have a decentralized way of getting money and smart contracts and so on. And this is my biggest thing why ADAX for me is the winner. It's a pick for me because everything is so streamlined, everything is so organized. I'm more of a professional person, so when I see something, I'm like, okay, this is the way I want it, this is the layout out. I don't want to have goofy characters on my crypto. Like, some people are like that, but you know, that's all taste and preferences. You know, if it was an NFT market, yeah, sure, I'd go for SundaeSwap or something. But there's no harm in holding both, right? So for me, ADAX is my #1. I'm definitely holding that long term. And yeah, that is my video for today, guys. If you have liked this video, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Also, like and subscribe, helps the YouTube algorithm get my video out there to help people discover ADAX, because believe it or not, you are extremely early for ADAX. Not enough people know about ADAX. People haven't been covering it as much as we would like. This is why I started doing YouTube videos on ADAX and other things in the crypto market, because no one is doing this work, no one is covering this, and if they are, it's a very small niche, and these people aren't having enough followers, likes to get the YouTube algorithm to make them noticeable. So that's why I like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys next time.